Check engine light on with code
P0010.
Let's dive right in.
P0010
Indicates an issue with the intake camshaft actuator circuit, also known as the VVT solenoid, specifically on bank 1. So, what symptoms should you look out for? You might experience a rough idle, sluggish acceleration, or even worse, fuel economy. Sometimes, it's just that pesky light staring back at you. Now, let's talk causes. The most common culprits are a faulty VVT solenoid, which could be clogged or have a burned coil. You might also have damaged wiring or connectors, dirty or low engine oil, and in rare cases, a bad ESMI. Here's a quick fix plan. First, check your oil level and quality. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors for any damage. Then, test the solenoid resistance. It should be between 6 to 12 ohms. If you command it on with a scan tool and don't hear a click, it's time for a replacement. Fix the fault, clear the code, and take your car for a road test. You'll be back on the road in no time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.